Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever wondered why some men seem to effortlessly have women chasing after them? Well, today we're going to unlock this mystery. Now, it's all about making her go weak emotionally for you, a powerful approach that can flip the traditional dynamics and have her chasing you. But how do you achieve this? Well, we will dive into the emotional triggers and behaviors that can create this intense emotional connection, making her drawn to you in a deep and compelling way. And by the end of this video, you will understand the why and how of this dynamic and how to apply it in your interactions. And be sure to stay with us until the very end for an important bonus tip. This additional insight is crucial for fostering a deeper connection and is something you won't want to miss. It could make all the difference. Sparking joy and laughter. This is about bringing a positive and emotionally fulfilling connection into her life. We will explore why creating moments of happiness and laughter is essential in making her emotionally drawn to you. Laughter and joy are powerful emotions that can create a deep emotional bond. When you consistently bring humor and positivity into her life, it can make her feel a strong emotional connection with you. It's not just about telling jokes, it's about cultivating a joyful and light-hearted atmosphere when you are together. Sharing funny stories, enjoying mutual interests that bring laughter, or simply being playful can ignite feelings of happiness and affection. This emotional response creates a sense of emotional dependency where she associates you with feelings of joy and comfort. To spark joy and laughter in her, focus on understanding what makes her smile. Pay attention to her sense of humor and engage in activities that you both find enjoyable and fun. Your goal should be to create an environment where laughter comes naturally. However, it's important to balance humor with sincerity. Being able to switch from being funny to being serious shows emotional depth and understanding. Remember, the strongest connections are built on a foundation of both joy and emotional resonance. Being her source of comfort. Next, we focus on becoming a reliable source of comfort for her, especially during challenging times. Let's delve into the importance of being someone she can lean on and why this deepens her emotional connection with you. Being a source of comfort means being there for her when she's facing difficulties. It involves more than just offering kind words. It's about providing a steady presence and understanding. And when you are the person she can turn to for support, it builds a deep sense of trust and security. This emotional support makes her feel valued and cared for, creating a strong emotional dependency. It's all about being empathetic, listening actively, and offering support in a way that respects her autonomy. Your ability to be her comfort zone can significantly influence her emotional attachment to you. To be her source of comfort, strive to be attentive to her needs and feelings. Listen to her without immediately trying to fix her problems. Sometimes she might just need someone to hear her out. Offer support and understanding and let her know you are there for her. However, it's important to maintain a balance and not to overstep boundaries. Respecting her independence while offering support is key. Your aim is to be a reassuring presence that she values and depends on during tough times. Being her confidant. This is about establishing yourself as someone she trusts deeply with her thoughts and secrets. Understanding the role of trust in emotional bonding is crucial in making her feel emotionally connected to you. Becoming her confidant means that she feels safe enough to share her innermost thoughts, feelings, and secrets with you. It's a significant level of trust that goes beyond surface level communication. And when she shares her vulnerabilities with you, it shows that she values your understanding and discretion. This level of trust creates a powerful emotional bond. As her confidant, you become the integral point to her emotional world, making her feel supported and understood on a deeper level. And this emotional depth is key in creating a strong, lasting connection. To be her confidant, you need to show that you are trustworthy, understanding, and non-judgmental. Actively listen to her without interrupting, offer support without imposing your own solutions, and keep her confidences secure. Show empathy and validate her feelings, letting her know that her thoughts are important to you. And building this trust takes time and consistency, so be patient and consistently show that you are reliable and an empathetic listener. Remember, the trust you build as a confidant can form the foundation of a deeply emotional and lasting relationship. Displaying genuine empathy. Let's examine the power of truly empathizing with her feelings and experiences and how this can strengthen your emotional bond. Genuine empathy involves understanding and sharing her feelings. seeing things from her perspective, and also connecting with her on that emotional level. It's about being attuned to her emotions, whether she is happy, she's sad, she's stressed or excited, and responding in a way that shows you truly care. Demonstrating empathy builds a deep emotional connection, as it shows her that you are not only understanding her, but you also share in her emotional experiences. And this level of emotional engagement can make her feel profoundly connected and drawn to you. To display genuine empathy, you need to be a good listener, be present in your conversations, and show that you are emotionally invested in what she shares. Acknowledge her feelings, offer support, and avoid dismissing or downplaying her emotions. Instead, validate her experiences and show that you appreciate her openness. Remember, empathy is not just about understanding her emotions, it's also about showing that her feelings have an impact on you. This shared emotional experience can create a powerful bond that draws her closer to you. Finding this video insightful? Please hit like and leave your thoughts below. Your feedback shapes the direction of the content. Consistent and thoughtful communication. Understanding its importance in building emotional intimacy is key to deepening the emotional connection between you. Regular, meaningful communication is more than just frequent talking or texting. It involves sharing your thoughts, your feelings, and experiences in a way that is open, honest, and considerate. This type of communication helps in building a strong emotional foundation, as it creates a sense of closeness and trust. Being consistent in your communication shows that you are dependable and genuinely interested in her life. Thoughtful communication means being attentive to her needs and responsive, and tailoring your communication to deepen understanding and connection. To engage in consistent and thoughtful communication, make an effort to connect with her regularly. This could be through daily conversations, thoughtful messages, or just regular check-ins. Show interest in her life, listen actively to what she says, and respond in a way that is supportive and engaging. Be open about your own experiences and emotions as well. And remember, the goal is to foster a deep emotional connection through communication. So, prioritize quality and depth in your interactions. This consistent, thoughtful approach can make her feel emotionally connected and valued, thereby drawing her closer to you. Inspiring and supporting her dreams. Now it's crucial to show active interest and support in her aspirations, as this greatly influences emotional bonds. Let's dive into how this encouragement can make her emotionally drawn to you. Supporting her dreams involves more than just listening to her future plans. It means actively encouraging her, offering help where needed, and celebrating her successes. And when you show genuine interest in her aspirations and dreams, it communicates that you value her as a person and, of course, her ambitions. This kind of support can be incredibly empowering and emotionally impactful, and it creates a deep sense of companionship and shows that you are invested in her happiness and success, not just in the relationship itself. To effectively inspire and support her dreams, engage in conversations about her goals and passions. Ask her questions, offer resources or advice when appropriate, and be her cheerleader in her endeavors. Show that you believe in her abilities and respect her ambitions. Be mindful to offer support without overstepping or trying to take control of her goals. Your role is to empower her, not to direct her. And this level of encouragement and support can significantly deepen the emotional connection, making her feel valued and understood on a profound level. A bonus tip: cultivate emotional availability. This aspect is critical in deepening your connection with her. So let's explore how being emotionally available can significantly enhance your relationship and make you much more attractive in her eyes. Emotional availability involves being open to sharing and receiving emotions in a relationship. It means being present both physically and emotionally, and showing a willingness to engage in deep, meaningful conversations. To be emotionally available, you need to be attentive to her feelings, show empathy, and be willing to share your own emotional experiences. This approach helps in building a safe and trusting environment where both partners feel understood and valued. Being emotionally available also means being responsive to her needs and showing that you are there for her, not just in happy times but also during challenges. Cultivating emotional availability is invaluable because it forms the cornerstone of a deeply connected and fulfilling relationship. It enhances mutual understanding and trust, making you a partner who is not only desirable but also deeply cherished. Emotional availability strengthens the bond, making the relationship much more resilient and emotionally satisfying. So, now that you've learned about the emotional impact that attracts women, what's next on your journey of understanding? Are you curious about the things that a woman says when she is sexually attracted to you? Or how about the signs most men miss when a woman wants to sleep with them? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.